Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is our maintenance day. Today is the last time, actually this vlog is the last time I'm doing a maintenance vlog because these maintenance services, they test my patience. They bring out an ugly side to me. I filmed one before and I didn't upload it, I deleted it, and I thought, let me just film the final one, and this is the last ever maintenance vlog. Okay, it's not the last, but it's the second last. It's the second last. So yeah. Right now I'm going to do my hair. I want to do the body braids like this here. I hope I have a good nice head shape. If that doesn't go as planned, I'm just going to do blonde braids as usual. So yeah, then at some point I'm going to do my nails. So yeah, let's come with me. Hi. It's going to pain. Guys, it hurts. 10 out of 10, actually 1000 out of 10. I don't recommend it, guys. It hurts. And like, that's not even the part that hurts. Like when they go inside, that's the one that even hurts the most. Guys, this life anyway, this life chose me, but I didn't choose it. But it hurts. Sorry guys, I'm done. It's perfect. By the way, I'm single. If your mind is in the gutter, get out of it. I did it for myself because I deserve it. I deserve a good treatment. So I'm going to unplait this hair. I've had this for a month. Yeah. Oh, you guys, so I retouched my hair. I didn't show that part because I slept. But I've just blown my hair and then I'm trimming it. Oh my goodness, it's so long. And I've trimmed my hair. It's giving 16 inches. Okay, I'm lying, like 14 inches. 16 inches? I don't know how to act, but oh, look at my nails. So now I'm going to Frida today. My hair can take this. After retouch, I've retouched my hair, trimmed my hair, blown it. Now I'm going to Frida for her to plait my hair. Oh, you know, it's actually crazy that I once bleached my hair blonde from the roots in 2022, and it's 2025. 3 years later. Like, could you tell that I bleached my hair blonde? No, you can't. Exactly. So you guys, this is the hair. Is it giving? Be honest. Honestly, I like the fronts, the back, questionable. And I'm not showing you the back. I'm just showing you the fronts because that's what matters. Anyway, I'm going to do this style because I'll be wearing wigs now. I'm tapping into my wig era. So yeah, I think my angle is here. You guys, this is the hair. So yeah. So you guys, I forgot about you. This is a day after the maintenance vlog. I'll be doing my toys and I'm stocking off these nails so that I can get a fresh set. I had to wake up early. This is an 8:30 a.m. appointment. It is not easy. But yeah, let's do this. Oh hi you guys, I forgot to update you guys. So anyway, I did my hair on Saturday and then on Monday I went to do my toys. Did I like the color? No. Did I offer them that color? Yes. Don't talk about that. And then I made an appointment for nails. I wanted to make an appointment for nails. Then I texted the person on Monday. I can't remember. I didn't know what the response was talking about. I sent them that message in the morning and they responded in the evening. Talking about, oh, we don't work on Sunday. No shit, Sherlock. No one asked you if you work on Sunday. And I did not even text you on Sunday. I texted you on a Monday. You see, this is why I said I've stopped doing maintenance vlogs because these people test my patience. But anyway, actually when that message link came in, I was already doing my own nails. So, I did different shades of pink. I did different shades of pink and almonds. The tips already, other the stick-ons already kept shaped, so I didn't have to shape them. So yeah. Anyway, I'm ready to go. So this is the end of the maintenance vlog. My last maintenance vlog. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.